Introducing the Intellia Wheeled Excavator Training Pack, with exercises set in an urban environment. The only solution that authentically replicates soil movement, bucket control, tire bounciness, engine function, and hydraulics behavior. In a world where precision and reliability matter, we deliver unmatched realism that allows you to optimize your operations, reduce costly errors, and set new standards for the highest level of training. Amid countless distractions and safety concerns, navigating the tight confines of urban job sites demands more than just specialized driving skills. It demands a keen sense of situational awareness. As a safer alternative for initial training, our simulation improves cycle times and productivity, while lowering increased fuel costs and equipment wear and tear that typically result from novice handling. Trainees practice challenging, real-world operations in complete safety, regardless of poor weather or limited access to equipment. The simulated wheeled excavator has a 23 US ton operating capacity with 4 working outriggers for stabilization. It's the only simulation on the market with live quick coupler attachment change training. It includes 3 attachments: standard bucket, narrow bucket, and tilt rotator. Progressive learning exercises in real-world conditions teach crucial skills from beginner to advanced while building confidence before moving on to the actual equipment. Revolutionize how operators prepare for real-world challenges. Coupled with Intellia Instructor on desktop or tablet, trigger unexpected weather, events, and fault injection in real time to add complexity to the exercises. This next-generation training management keeps track of crucial performance metrics, including completion time, fuel efficiency, and safety violations. These invaluable and unmatched insights are exclusive to CM Labs and ensure operators are well prepared and better equipped to tackle each job. As with all our virtual training, the training pack works with all of CM Labs simulators. Controls are quick and easy to swap out, enabling comprehensive training with all our lifting and earth-moving training packs and add-on modules. Powered by our patented engineering-grade machine behavior, the wheeled excavator offers an unparalleled level of transferable skills outside of the real equipment. CM Labs simulation training is used around the world by industry-leading equipment manufacturers, trades training schools, and construction companies. We offer proven and effective virtual training for improving operator performance and worksite safety. Let us show you how. Visit cm-labs.com now to learn more, or call us at 1-514-287-1166.